One sunny day, in a lush green forest, lived a curious little Goliath beetle named George. George was not like the other beetles. He was larger, stronger, and had a beautiful golden shine on his shell. George was known as Goliath the Giant Beetle, a name that filled the forest with awe and fascination. One day, George overheard the other insects talking about a magical treasure hidden deep within the forest. Curious and eager to find this treasure, George set off on an adventure. He walked, he crawled, and he climbed over roots, through leaves, and across streams. He met many friends along the way, each sharing their wisdom and knowledge about the forest. After a long, tiring journey, George finally arrived at the secret location. He saw a glowing, golden treasure chest. With a deep breath, George opened the chest, and to his surprise, he didn't find gold or jewels. Instead, he found a small, shining seed. George was puzzled, but he decided to plant the seed back in his home. He watered it every day, and watched it grow. In no time, the seed grew into a beautiful, giant flower, its petals as golden as George's shell. The flower emitted a soft, calming glow, spreading peace and happiness throughout the forest. From that day forward, George was no longer just Goliath the Giant Beetle. He was Goliath the Guardian, the protector of the forest, and the friend of all its inhabitants. And every night, as the forest slept, the golden glow from the flower would remind everyone of the amazing adventure of Goliath the Giant Beetle. The end.